postaneš Slovenec? Z Michaelom Manskim. 21. del, part 21.
Kako piješ kavo?
To say that Slovenes love coffee is an understatement. The annual world average is about 1 kilogram per person. That means the average human drinks a kilogram's worth of coffee a year. And that's what Slovenes drink every 2 months. In Slovenia, the average is 6 kilograms of coffee per person. That means that for every cup of coffee a normal person drinks, Slovenes drink 6. They drink more than Americans, more than Germans, more than Croatians, and more than Serbians. Slovenes, on average, drink more coffee than any country in Asia, Africa, South America, or Australia. But in Slovenia, it's not just about drinking a lot of coffee. Coffee is part of the culture itself. When I first came here, I had never even had a coffee. Then I started going out with friends and realized that I was the only person drinking water while everyone else ordered coffee. Now, coffee is the first thing I think about when I wake up. But here's the thing. The United States is not a cafe culture. People do drink coffee, but they get it to go or drink it at the office. I know a lot of Slovenes living in the U.S., and they almost always complain about that. They want to go out for a coffee with Americans, but that doesn't work. Here's what would happen if a Slovene in America tried to invite an office coworker out to a cafe for a coffee.
Good morning, Phil.
Hey, Pramos. Hey, good morning, buddy. How you doing? Hey, how do you say good morning in Slovenia?
Dobro jutro, and I'm very well.
Great,
Thank you.
man. Hey, dobro utero to you too, buddy.
Thank you. Listen.
Go ahead, man. I'm listening.
I was thinking about going for a coffee.
Hey, man. You know what? That's a great idea. Tell you what. Can you bring me back a vanilla frappuccino?
No, I meant that
Hey, Frank, Primoz is going for some coffee. You want him to bring you back something?
Cool. Yeah, I'll have an ice white chocolate mocha.
Primoz going out for coffee?
Yeah.
Primoz, can you bring me a nice skinny mocha? You're the best.
Ooh, I'll have one too.
Thanks, buddy.
You rock, Primus.
Well, I imagine something different.
We'll give you the money when you get back.
Verdammte Amerikaner.
Never mind going out for a coffee. It's not unheard of in the U.S. to eat your lunch in the office or to even eat something while you continue working at the same time. While Slovenia's cafe culture is great, there's one big problem with it. Once you get used to it, to sitting outside with friends and drinking coffee, and getting used to the idea that there's more to life than work, it can be a very hard thing to give up, especially when you want to enjoy a nice cup of coffee and enjoy a dobro utero.
How to become a Slovene with Michael Mansky.